Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some overcast skies out there this morning. Going to see mostly cloudy skies this afternoon. We'll get a little bit of mixing in the marine layer and then allow for some sunshine to get through those clouds for the afternoon hours. We'll see temperatures today in the upper 70s across the region. And see much cooler conditions than we saw yesterday. We set the all-time record October high temperature at 93 degrees yesterday. That was previously at 91, and the daily high yesterday was at 87, so beat both of those records by several degrees yesterday. Looking at our upper level winds, this morning we have a freezing level at 15,800 feet, northeasterly winds in the low levels of 20 knots at 1,000 feet. Then we turn quickly northwesterly to westerly throughout the rest of the calm, and seeing a peak wind this morning up to 34 knots at 25,000 feet. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we have a cold front that moved through the region. It's currently south of the area. We have some disturbed weather and rainfall across the Great Lakes and northeast states, and continue to see that north of our region and west of our region. And we'll just see this fairly stable marine layer across the region with this area high pressure building into New England, as well as this cold front south of the area, providing us with those mostly cloudy to overcast conditions today. We have this warm front, or this boundary, move back north as a warm front tonight, and that'll provide us with some additional low-level cloud cover, and we'll have a cold front sweep through for tomorrow morning. That should dry us out for Friday afternoon with mostly sunny conditions, less humid weather, and some fairly pleasant conditions overall to end the work week. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, we do have some low-level cloud cover out there this morning. Taking a look at our visible imagery, you can see this marine layer and lower level cloud cover associated with that area high pressure building in, and those northeasterly winds really starting to take over pretty much the whole entire peninsula with those low clouds. That'll be the case, as I mentioned, throughout much of the day today. We'll see those low clouds start to erode a bit this afternoon before building yet back in for the evening hours. And then once the warm front does move north of the region, tonight we should see those clouds really dissipate across the region. Looking at our radar imagery this morning, we do have a batch of showers currently on the Mason-Dixon line well north of the region. It's going to continue to move off to the north and to the east, and that's not going to provide us with any chances of rainfall today. We'll have a green chart for our rain and lightning today. Looking at our derived reflectivity on the 3-kilometer AM zone, and there's rain showers north of the region today, and this is this evening, seeing just some low-level cloud cover out there across the region, all the rain showers and some moderate rain across New England. And then once we move into tonight, we'll see that cold front move through. This is showing a little bit of scattered shower activity along that cold front. That moved through during the overnight hours, not expecting any rain chances here at Wallops. Possibly seeing a few sprinkles across the northern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula tonight. And then once we move into Friday, we'll just see slightly breezy northwesterly winds, as well as less humid conditions, temperatures in the 70s, so a very nice way to end the work week. Looking at our GFS model for the long range, here's our Friday afternoon, high pressure building in from the north and from the west. Saturday will be a cooler day, cooler start to the day as well, temperatures in the 50s to start on Saturday, and then only seeing temperatures warm up into the mid-60s to upper 60s across the peninsula on Saturday. We'll have northeasterly flow, and once again we'll have a marine layer move onshore, and that's going to provide us with mostly cloudy conditions for Saturday. Sunday we'll have a warm front move through during the overnight hours, and then we'll have southwesterly winds on Sunday, providing us with warmer temperatures, a little bit above normal for this time of year. And then we'll have a cold front move through Monday night into Tuesday. Models have continued to show less rainfall across the region, and we've been in a dry pattern, so expecting the models to continue to dissipate that rainfall chances across the region for our Monday night into Tuesday, probably about a 30% chance of an isolated shower. So those dry those dry conditions that we've had across the region look like they will stay at least through the next week or two. And then Tuesday, we'll have another chilly high pressure building in the region, seeing temperatures about seasonable for this time of year, a little bit below seasonable, and we'll see those overnight lows throughout next week in the 50s, so more fall-like conditions to move into next week with that area high pressure building in from the Great Lakes. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board in regards to precipitation and lightning. So no chances of that occurring today. High around 79, northeasterly winds 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 20 for this morning, and then just becoming sustained at 9 to 14 out of the northeast for the afternoon hours. Tonight we'll see those winds switch southwesterly at 5 to 10 knots, and by tomorrow morning with post-frontal conditions with northwesterly winds 10 to 15, gusts to 24, so a yellow for our winds by tomorrow morning. Our ceilings will be around 500 feet tonight. Cannot rule out we see a ceiling below 500 feet with that warm front moving through. We do have a yellow for that condition as well. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have ceilings around 800 to 1,000 feet throughout today, with that overcast broken deck, and then tonight we should see those ceilings drop down to around 600 feet, and then once that once that warm front does move north of the region, we should see just a scatter deck around 6,000 feet for the overnight hours. For our Friday at 8 o'clock local time, we'll just see partly cloudy conditions out there, becoming mostly sunny by Friday late morning. Our tides are slightly above normal, and then for Friday and Saturday we'll see mostly sunny, partly cloudy conditions, breezy, and less humid, a high of 78 degrees. We'll have an orange for our winds near 25 knots. Friday night we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies, seasonable conditions, a low of 52, and for Saturday we'll have mostly cloudy, slightly breezy winds, and cooler temperatures, a high of 67 on Saturday. Green chart for both Friday night and Saturday. We'll have that onshore flow on Saturday, so a cooler day, more fall-like across the region. And then for our next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures in the upper 70s today and tomorrow, 67 on Saturday. Then we'll see another brief warm-up for Sunday and Monday with temperatures about 5 to 10 degrees above normal for both days across the peninsula. A little bit warmer inland on Sunday and Monday as the winds will be off the water out of the south, with comparison from Wallops to inland locations. Seeing 77 on Sunday, 78 on Monday, and that chance of some afternoon isolated showers on Monday. Best chance looks like it will come late Monday into Tuesday morning. But as I said, those models continue to dissipate that moisture along the cold front, and probably we'll see that trend continuing as we move into the weekend and early next week, with the rain showers not really putting much of a dent into any dry conditions we have out there currently. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, as I mentioned, we'll see those lows getting down in the lower 60s to lower 50s, predicting a low of 53 degrees on Wednesday morning, and seeing those temperatures very comfortable with low humidity values in the low 70s. So it looks like a really beautiful part of middle to end of next week. That's going to complete our weather briefing this morning. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.